So the major question I'm getting today is coverage for marijuana dispensaries. I know it's a hot topic right now. But yeah, we do have liability policies that cover that type of exposure. That's not a problem. But what we really need to do is get as much information from you as possible so we can get it underwritten correctly. I can tell you if you're a new business venture that is exclusively going after marijuana dispensaries, 100% of your operations is going to be those dispensaries. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to get you coverage. That's not to say I can't, but I can tell you that it might be a little bit more expensive. Typically what carriers like to see, they like to see a percentage in the marijuana dispensary, but they don't want to see 100% of your operations in that industry. But if it is, either way, the information is still going to be the same that I need to obtain. I need a really thorough supplemental application with all payroll on there, broken out by contract, armed and unarmed. So that application that is on our website, I'm going to need that as thoroughly completed as possible. The other thing, if you're new in business, they're going to want to see a resume of the owners. That resume has to provide detail of experience, qualifications, and background in the guard industry. They want to make sure that you're not new to this industry. They want some longevity. The third thing is that they're going to want the locations. Even if you don't have a contract right now with the marijuana dispensary, the possible location that you're going to be at, the location, the address, and the name of the dispensary. If you have a sample contract with this dispensary, they're going to want to review that as well, the post orders. So those are the main things that they're going to want to see to start the underwriting process. But let's say we get all that information, I send it out to my underwriter. What can you expect in return as far as liability premium? That's a tough question to answer because it's really going to range depending on your operations. But really what I'm seeing out there right now is the best case scenario is going to be $7,500. That's best case. Worst case scenario, if you fall into that minimum premium, is going to be around $15,000. I would tell you the majority of people I'm talking to right now fall in between there, anywhere from around $9,000 to $12,000, depending upon your expected payroll, guard hours billed, and how many of these dispensaries you're gonna go after. But that's it in a nutshell. You have any other questions, always feel free to reach out to me or look at our website and go through our video library to see if there's any other questions that I can answer for you on there.